Now I'm back again. got that funnel. Just went ahead and cut the bottom off of a water bottle. You know, and I got my funnel. What it did was it brought it up out of that thing for me, so that way I'm able to aim up here. Dick. Now what that just did is, now there's oil on the freaking motor. There's some bone and some smoke some. It's already starting to burn a little bit of smoke. And it just keeps on doing it because my dumbass is wanting to use the funnel. That's my neighbor, Mr. Frank. You see all that oil on there now? So I still gotta add a whole 0.4, probably 0.5 now, because I want to spill oil all on the head. But yeah. In a minute I'm about to have a mic. What's up, Mr. Frank? How you doing? That's good. That's good. I just put oil all on the head of the car like a dum-dum. So yeah, I got that going on. That's gonna be a stinky situation. After a moment, yeah, no. It's okay. I think there was leaves or something that came out of it. No, I'm kidding. It was. I gotta find the key. Hey, you wanna come put your car on like turn it into accessory, like push the button on with, yeah, but without putting your foot on the brake, so that way that the oil gets in the oil filter and we can get a correct measurement. Let's see, 24 would be right about there.
Yeah, screw that.